We are standing at the Givati parking lot excavations at the City of David National Park. The excavations are being conducted by the Israeli Antiquities Authority and by Tel Aviv University. Behind me you can see an installation that is very, very unique. There is nothing parallel to that. It is made of a chain of channels that were cut into the rock and was probably used for some industrial or agricultural activity. This is a unique installation. Nothing like that was found anywhere else in Israel, as far as we know, outside of Israel. And because of that, it is very hard for us to know what exactly it was used for. We have to take into account that this installation dates to the early days of the Judean kingdom and is located in a place that is not far away from the temple and not far away from the palace institutions. It was clear for us that whatever was done here was done in connection with either cultic activity by the temple or royal activity connected with the palace. And we wanted to understand this in a better way, and for that we've enlarged the excavations to other parts surrounding us in order to find this installation.
Extending the excavation to this area revealed a larger part of the installation, actually a second channel installation similar to the first one. The excavation here revealed more information about the date and the use of these installations. First, we now know for sure from the pottery found within the channel that it went out of use during the late 9th century BC. Second, we took quite many samples, both from the soil within the channel and from the channel themselves, looking for remains of pollen, other organic material, and even took a CSI lab test for tracing blood. None of these tests revealed any new information. Although no exact parallels are known, installations similar to these that make the use of channels are known both from the flax industry and for the making of silan, honey made of dates. Nevertheless, the question what these installations were used for is still open.